look at those mountains. Look at the road. Look at the road. Look at the mountain. Woo! Welcome back. On the previous episode, we rode from Santa Monica up the PCH, through Old Topanga Canyon in Malibu, and now we're here at the top of Stunt Road. Today, Prince is going to lead us through some more twisty canyons, and we're going to end up back down on the coast. Enjoy the ride. Navigating through these canyons can be difficult if it's your first time going up here, and it can be a little bit intimidating since a lot of these different roads have different difficulties and a lot of these turns can be tight. So it's always good to go with people that, you know, have been here before, kind of know the way. So definitely glad that Chino and Prince are leading this trip. And I just wanted to share with you guys some of these roads just in case you come up here, you can go ahead and try them out. The one we're on right now isn't too difficult. You know, just take things at your own pace. You definitely don't want to be speeding through here, you know, or riding too spiritedly if you don't know these turns. So always be a little bit more cautious than usual. And, you know, the whole point of over here is just to enjoy yourself and enjoy the views and ride safe. This will reconnect us to Piuma. I like the names of these roads.
down here. Must be filming something? Still on Piuma. Man, these canyons are beautiful.
So this part of the road gets a little bit more technical, and I do notice that when I'm coming down here there's more rock and debris on the road, so you just got to keep that in mind when you come through these corners. Some of them are blind, so you don't want to hit like a dirt patch and skid out, so always keep that in mind. It's easy to get distracted by all the beautiful scenery and canyons and mountains, but you know, just look through these turns, take your time, and you'll be all right.
Had a good rhythm going through some of those turns for a while. I love it when I got a good little rhythm going. All right, so it's like we're making a right on Cold Canyon Road. Not sure if I remember this one.
joining us on another ride. We're now back on the PCH and we're heading to Latigo Canyon. This one's going to be a bit more technical, and we're going to be sharing that with you guys in future episodes. Be sure to stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, ride safe. Peace.